Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
Keep it cool, ma. Wine your ma. Keep it cool, ma. Oh yeah, wine your ma. Keep it cool, ma.
The name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous run into it and they are safe. Proverbs 18:10. So today, your girl is going to be talking about the Igbo culture and the Igbo tribe. You might ask, what's Igbo? I've never heard about Igbo. I don't understand. What's all this about? Well, today I will tell you. Let's go! Remember to subscribe, share the video, let people know about this video. Also, make some comments. If there's anything that I miss out, please put it in the comments so that people can learn and know more, because I don't know everything. Okay? Now, Igbo people are located in the eastern part of Nigeria. Nigeria is in the west of Africa, okay? Some people also argue that the Igbo people are not just in the east part of Nigeria, but in the southeast, okay? So this includes people from River State and all that. But I'm not the one to argue. I don't really care to argue about that. People from Rivers tell you that we're not Igbo people. We are not Igbo at all. But we know them as Delta Igbo, but they say they're not. But that's okay. Let's continue the topic. Now, the Igbo people are like the most populated in Nigeria. Yes. And we have diverse cultures, rich culture, and many more. Now, if you tend to go to the Niger Delta part, their culture will be a bit different and diverse in nature compared to the eastern part of Nigeria. When you come to the eastern part, it's like the same almost everywhere. We all speak Igbo, but we have different dialects of Igbo. Some of them are mutually intelligible, which means we can understand each other to an extent, while some of them you just cannot understand. Can you give me examples in the comments of the ones you think you can't even understand? I don't want to be the one to mention the names. Yeah. Now, let's go into the culture of the Igbo people. Okay, the Igbo people can seem a bit unconventional when it comes to the culture, but it's our culture, we're used to it. To other people, it might seem different, but overall, we all tend to be very traditional, okay? This means that we take our culture very, very seriously, and when we try to do things that pertain to our culture, we are very, very traditional in it. We really do it to the roots. We really take it so personal, you know? Now, in the Igbo culture, we respect the male a lot because the male is seen as the head of the family. So we tend to respect them a whole lot. We give them the respect that they are due. Not just the male, but also the elders in our culture. We respect them a lot in the society because we are trained from a young age to respect the elder ones. So it's been instilled in us until now, we adhere to it. That's why in my last video, for the lessons that I teach, when I teach Igbo, not in this series of culture, I talked about some elders don't like you saying hello to them, like, hello, hi. No, they want you to say good morning, if possible. You know, bow your head a little or just reduce your height, you know. If not, they'll reduce it for you. Okay, so that's really what it is. Even those abroad, they always want you to show respect. They don't like it when the younger ones say hello to them or hi uncle, hi auntie. They don't like it, okay? I've had a personal experience. It wasn't even an elder, it was just a guy. When I went to visit Nigeria, I was just like, oh hi, what's up? He was like, like he was actually being sarcastic, making jest of me because I was saying hello, but yo, I don't care, you're a male, yes, but you're the same age as me. Don't expect me to be like, good morning, sir, because that's not happening, okay? So yes, I think that would be the end of this series. Let me know if I missed anything. Let me know if I have to add something else in the next series I will make. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it all. If you did not get all the series, please click here and it will take you back to the one you missed, the previous one before this. Okay, this is a long video, so I had to break it into different parts, different series, so that you won't get tired of watching. All right, take care of yourself, like, subscribe, share, and let people know how I'm trying to improve and expose the value of Igbo language and Igbo people, for especially those who are in diaspora who don't know much about their heritage or Igbo language and culture. All right, see you next time.